Welcome everyone to Knowledge Nest. Today we are here with a new topic. What are synonyms in English with examples? Synonyms. A word that means exactly or nearly the same as other word or phrase. Word is accomplish. Synonym is achieve. Word is assist. Synonym is help. Word is fast. Synonym is quick. Word is admit. Synonym is confess. Word is beautiful. Synonym is pretty. Word is begin. Synonym is start. Word is big. Synonym is large. Word is buy. Synonym is purchase. Word is child. Synonym is kid. Word is complete. Synonym is finish. Word is depart. Synonym is leave. Word is difficult. Synonym is hard. Word is enjoyment. Synonym is fun. Word is garbage. Synonym is trash. Word is laugh. Synonym is giggle. Word is mix. Synonym is blend. Word is rich. Synonym is wealthy. Word is rug. Synonym is carpet. Word is taxi. Synonym is cab. Word is sad. Synonym is unhappy. Word is scared. Synonym is afraid.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.